So I was messing around on TikTok and I came across this person, this guy. I think he's a new comedian or something. I don't know, but him funny. This I'm gonna use cheese chick as cereal, as cornflakes. He must have one of the craziest hairstyle. You know, I'm not in a long talking. He's funny. And you know, I'm not a selfish person, so I'm gonna come over here and share the fun, share the jokes, share the laughter. So, we'll get right into it.
I can tell you no. I want a girl complain on me here. I really want a girl find me and complain on me here. I can tell you no. Fuck.
Oh, yes. I him have the talk. I can tell you no. I can tell you no. And he have our next talk too. We saw here. We don't remember it. What kind of hairstyle that? The man here. It seems like Moses party here now. Yeah, like how Moses the party Red Sea. Oh my gosh. We are move forward. I can tell you now. This is gonna be a very funny video. So guess what? Just like a video from now. Respect.
I want a girl come find me in a sonata yeah, and sweat me out, you know. That's what I really want, you know. A girl to come find me in a sonata yeah, and sweat me out. Yeah, you see me have heat, you know. From my yard, me have heat. I can tell you no.
When media yard me have to eat, I can tell you no. What is he eating? White bread with vanilla lasco. And what was that before? You see me tell you? The man mix up all kind of... Me know if him got to run him tonight, me now have to ask Christ. Moving forward.
As I say, it's a very nice drink when you grab it down, you know. When you grab it down, it's a very nice drink, I can tell you. Every left back and left for your mouth, you must belch. Yeah, that means if you drink enough for belch, I can tell you.
Boss say, as soon as the buckle left him out, you must burp. I can tell you now. It make your stomach relax. I can tell you now. It release something inside your gut. I don't know. Me no doctor or nurse, but I can tell you now. I felt good after drinking that water. And I can tell you now. You gotta laugh some more, so just like the video.
As I say, let me take off my glass.
As I say,
I look at myself in my mirror now. I say, any man know say me? Me run, you know. Humbug me ugly Lord God Almighty, I can tell you no. Look at me now. As I say.
As I say, or as he say, he's ugly. I didn't say it. He said, as I say, when him looking at the mirror, he want to run. Man, you're not ugly, but the hairstyle needs to go. I can tell you no.
I can tell you no. All of the people them who smell like when they were born CD. And them always look exact themselves, you know. Some frowsy thinking people who smell like, you know, when they are born CD, you know, when CD get enough fire in a bun, you know, it think, you know, you have one thinking smell there, heart to inhale. And all of the people them who smell like when you are born CD, you know, and them always exact themselves from people. I can tell you no. Fuck.
What is he eating? Me know he have diarrhea every goddamn day. Them the mix up there. My gosh. I can tell you no. In toilet probably suits that work. Me hope he have inside toilet. Because to the heap of corrosion and corrumbungus, as my granny would say, when I eat, I have run in and out of the house, morning, noon, and night, to go poop. I can tell you no. Or me just assume. We're moving forward.
As I say, I can tell you no. Thank God for country. Boy, you can walk on the road for a night, you know, without nibble for looking at table duppy. Thank God for country. I can tell you no. Fuck.
A long time I even hear people talk about Duppy. Duppy still exists. Them still a walk around and rolling calf. Who remember the rolling calf story there? Oh my gosh, as a kid, and they say rolling calf was the most dangerous one, you know? I can tell you know. Moving forward.
I can tell you no. One of the nicest thing, you know. And when a man have health and strength can work to feed himself, you know. You're working money to feed himself. That is glory, you know. Oh, not and hurt here. That is really, really, really good. You don't know glory. I said, that is glory and hurt here. I can tell you no.
I'm really hoping bathroom depend on the house, because if you bathroom the off the house, the amount of crap this man eat, I can tell you no. Him belly hate him. Anyways, a film business that we're moving forward.
As I say,
As
you
I
think
say,
me and it through you. My hood stay a freeze with coldness when woman out there with good wolf to keep it warm. I can tell you. Fuck.
whose jaws is off a line? Brother, go and go bring back your neighbor Jazz. I can tell you this, a TV. I don't think you take care for nobody. Moving forward.
Iko yung man dito sa ado.
The best drink, you. When picnic find out and stuff and one broke them parents, I can tell you. I broke them parents. One enough man. Why you jump off? I can tell you.
They say them they Sunday. You can't want them they Sunday and want girl sweat. Sweat, girl if you come make you sweat. They say them they Sunday can't make girls sweat. Or girl make you come sweat. First a cheat chip, no, ketchup and bread you did I eat when you attack. They say them they Sunday now work.
I lie to myself, they don't know what would eat my body.
They don't know what would be my body.
They know what would my body.
So cheat chip
Not every cheese chip. Chiggers.
cheese stick, no cheese stick.
Cheese stick and
Cheese
chiggers.
sticks and miracle peanut punch
You
good.
can you can use cheese and cheese, you know?
What?
Cheesies.
Oh.
Cheese. Nice. Cheese is the first one when they start to work.
Okay.
And go out and turn your back and when you shit it up and watch, you know? I look at you left right now. I can tell you.
As I say.
I can tell you no, that mix is not good for your gut. I can tell you no. It's a film tally that got bung up. As I say, he need help. When me look at you, are they money alone used to eat vagina? Are they money alone used to eat front? They always there bar and they look a bartender, serve them a rum, take their money and give them front for eat. I can tell you no. This is the final one, the boss in a suit, jacket and tie and everything.
As I say, I can tell no people, look at me. Still bush, I'm broke. I can tell you no.
As he say, I can tell you no. That was fun. I had a little laugh. I had a little skin up face as well because cheese, chicken, milk, like, ew, what's wrong with you, dude? Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like a video. If you did, share your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and share with your exes. Stay safe. God bless.